welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great today. In this video, we're going to show you something truly extraordinary. What you're about to see is not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of luxury, power, and futuristic living on wheels. Hook 030 to 1 o'clock. Imagine traveling in a vehicle that feels like a luxury hotel, a place where comfort, elegance, and innovation come together. This is a gold luxury mobile home, designed for people who want more than just travel, they want an experience. Exterior design, 1 o'clock to 1:45. The exterior immediately grabs attention with its bold golden color and premium finish. The double-story design, wide glass windows, and stylish staircase give it a royal and futuristic look. Every detail reflects luxury, from the smooth body lines to the powerful wheels. From any angle, it looks like a moving palace rather than a regular bus. Interior and comfort, 1:45 to 2:30. Step inside, and the luxury continues. The interior features spacious rooms, premium seating areas, modern lighting, and elegant design. Everything is built to provide comfort, privacy, and relaxation. Whether it's long-distance travel or VIP tours, this mobile home offers a 5-star experience on the road. Technology and lifestyle, 2:30 to 3 o'clock. This luxury vehicle is equipped with advanced technology, smooth suspension and high-level safety systems. Smart controls, modern systems, and powerful engineering make every journey smooth and enjoyable. It's not just about reaching your destination, it's about enjoying the journey in style. Future and vision, 3 o'clock to 3:15. Luxury mobile homes like this represent the future of travel. They show how design and innovation can completely change the way we move and live. Outrow, 3:15 to 3:30. So what do you think about this luxury mobile home? Would you like to travel in something like this? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Khuda Hafiz, welcome to the channel, and see you in the next video.